All right, and welcome back. It's now time to do the fun slash tedious part of this whole cook, and that is we're going to start frying the chicken. Now, I want to make sure that my oil temperature is at least 180 degrees. Okay, and yeah, we're well past 180 degrees. You can use a thermometer if you like. It does help. Alright, now we're ready to put in our magic umeboshi because we're going to be doing a lot of frying today. And again, like I said, I'm going to put 3 in this time. Alright, this is to ensure that the oil doesn't burn. Okay? And take a look here. Let's see if we can get a little closer. Yeah, that's about as close as we're gonna get. Okay. Okay. Alright. Using tongs, I'm gonna put one chicken wing in at a time. We're gonna be doing a method called double boil, double fry. Okay, we're gonna be frying these chicken wings twice, and by doing that, it makes them really crispy and without the use of flour or any other kind of coating agent. It's just the chicken all by themselves being nice and fried. So it works very well. It's my favorite method of cooking chicken wings. So you want to make sure to have a couple of pans ready for you. You can use a bowl too, I suppose, if that's all you got. But a cake pan is what I find works best. And you should have those ready for you as soon as, or before you start actually doing the cooking. It just makes it easier that way. You don't want to put too many chicken wings in. Otherwise, it'll mostly boil your chicken instead of frying it. Okay. But we are frying it twice, so that's going to make it extra crispy. First time, we don't want to fry them too much. You know, we're gonna fry them again. But we also want to fry them enough, okay? So about 3 to 4 minutes. Like here, this is not fried enough. If it's still pretty pale, no, that's no good. And right there, that's about what we're looking for off the first cook. So I'm going to take these out. Line them up in the pan. And there you go. Now we're ready for the next batch. And you just want to keep doing this. Wash, rinse, and repeat, so to speak, until you have it, all the chicken cooked at least one time. And this time we are continuing to cook the first batch of the chicken. Again, 3 to 4 minutes for each batch. It should be enough. And yeah, of course, when you're cooking a larger amount like we are this time, the process is going to take longer to cook, which is why we are speeding up the video like magic. Hello and welcome back. Now that we've cooked all of the chicken once, it's time to do it again. But this time, it's going to be a little bit different. Remember that delicious sauce we made before? Now this is going to play a role in the rest of the cook. Alright, so our oil is on pretty high, about a high medium heat. Alright, and we're going to refry the chicken wings one more time. Try to start with the first batches that you did, because they've had time for everything to settle down, and it's a good time to flip them right back in the oil. We're not going to leave them in the oil for too long because they're already mostly cooked anyway. And this is about the color you're looking for perfectly. I put them in a bowl. A metal bowl. You probably don't want to do this with plastic. Wouldn't be a good day for you. Now while I let them sit for a second, I'm going to put the second round in. Just to keep it going. Alright. Now, with these, remember our beautiful seasoning. Sprinkle a little bit of that over the top and mix it up. All right. Then take off any excess and right in the sausage goes. I like to have, after this, I like to have another pair of tongs. We're dealing with them from here. Take them out. If you want, you can kind of try to keep them nice, but it's not really important at this point. See how they come out? Beautiful. Now from here, I'm going to take just a little bit of salt and pepper, dusting, and more garlic powder. Just a dusting, nothing too heavy-handed. And finally, some sesame seeds. Just to make it look pretty. And there you go. Wash, rinse, and repeat. And here we go. Alright, so now we're going to keep on frying our chicken wings for the second time, seasoning them after we take them out of the oil and before putting them in the teriyaki sauce. And then after we take them out of the teriyaki sauce, once again, putting a little extra salt and pepper, garlic powder, and sesame. All right. So hopefully your cook went well, and if it did, it should look something like this. These were the pans I got from about three kilo of chicken wings, and wow, I promise you, if you followed my recipe exactly and cooked them the way that I do twice until they get a golden crispy brown, if you make these for anyone, whether it be privately at home for your family or for a party, Super Bowl party, Christmas party, whatever kind of party, birthday party, yeah, you're gonna be a big hit, and people are going to come up to you and ask you, how did you do that? And they won't believe that you actually made it instead of bought it from a shop down the street. Okay, these chicken wings are the bomb. Now, of course, we have to have the obligatory taste test, okay? And see how we did, okay? So, let's have a try. Okay. Already. All right. Here we go. Cheers. So crispy. And you can taste all those spices plus the sweet teriyaki on the outside. Oh man, promise you, you will not be disappointed with this. From my kitchen to yours, hopefully. This has been Cooking with Steve, and thank you for joining me. By the way, make sure you put a smile on someone's face today. Alright, here's to more cooking later. Alright, until next time, take care of yourself and each other. Thank you for watching my video. As always, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? That would really help me out a bunch. So, here's to next time. Eat right and eat well.